Hi, welcome to Complete Web Developer course. In this course, we will learn all front-end and back-end technologies and makes many latest projects and games that enhance your skills and solve your problems. For this, we need two things. First one is code editor and the second one is a simple web browser. In this tutorial, we will use Sublime Text Editor. That is a lightweight and best editor. For this, you simply go to browser and write Sublime Text Editor, Sublime Text, downloads and clicks. Here you can see on first links www.sublimetext.com. Click on it and you will see many versions of Sublime. That is different Linux operating systems and Windows operating system. So simply clicks on Windows 64-bit. Click on this and simple here is our Sublime text downloads. After downloads, click on open and install it. So I open this and here is installation and here it takes some time, so I simply click on next, next, and here is your Sublime Text Editor is installed. Simply click on finish and your Sublime Text is ready for your coding career. And for download Chrome, go to any browser and write Chrome. I have already downloaded. I have just to simple out how to download. Simple write Chrome on the browser and you see download Chrome. Click on download Chrome and you are downloaded, installed, and install is very simple. So here we end this video and in next lecture we starting our web development career. So if you like this video, please like it, and if you not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icons. Thank you for watching.